Hello, story for Céilí in the kitchen and all the gang getting ready for Cruinniú this weekend in Leitrim and indeed all over Ireland and all over the world. So a quick little story. There once was a girl from Ballinagat, like the town of the cats, and all in that town could sing like cats. They'd go wow, 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 but she couldn't sing. And then one morning she came down from her breakfast and a tune had popped into her head. And the tune went and her father and mother said, "Oh," Sheila was her name. "Oh, Sheila, that's a great tune, Sheila. You'll have to put a second part of it." So she went again, but no second part coming. So anyway, she grew up and she went to college for a while in Sligo, and she was here. She heard great music, and every now and again she'd try and put a second part of the tune, and it didn't come at all. And then she travelled far and wide across the ocean. She travelled up and she travelled down, inside, outside, far and wide and down. And it was below in Australia where she heard the tune that went. And she said, that's the tune. So she had her tune, and she was still trying to put the second part of it, but she couldn't. So she went down, 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 Australia, New Zealand, and down, down below the South Pole. So far down, she came out on top of the North Pole. And it was above there, somewhere between Canada and Russia. You know that, what do you call that part between Canada and Russia? It's up there in the cold part of the North Pole. She saw an igloo and a bit of smoke coming out of the igloo. And she went into the igloo and she went, and the man and woman came out, and I mean, what could she say to people who didn't speak English or Irish? So they beckoned her in and they were like, "Tea?" And she said, "Yeah, tea." So they put on the kettle. And as they sat down, and as she had that last little cup of tea with them, and you know, with people, it's hard to make the conversation when they don't speak Irish or English. And she obviously didn't speak any of the native Inuit languages up around there. So next thing, they were just having the cup of tea and they were humming, and next thing it came to her. And the couple answered her. So she came home then and she played the tune for everyone. Woo! That's the tune. See you soon. Thanks.